Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll talk about transferring birds into the cage. It hasn't been an easy job. I've really tried and I'm tired. Let me just rest for some few seconds and then continue. Okay, we'll go now. In this video I'll show you the birds I'm using for the test. I have transferred them into the cage, so here they are. And as you can see, they started dropping into the trays. So I'm sure this will help. I'm back. As you saw them in the video, they are not happy with their new home. But whether they like it or not, it has become their permanent home. I'm using them as the test instrument for the cage, because I would like to fill the other sides to use and then fix the rest of the cages. But I'm doing this because I haven't used cages before, and if I transfer everything into the cage and I'm getting challenges, it will become a tedious work for me, since I am the only one working on the farm. I am the farmer, I am the manager, I am basically everything on the farm. So I do what my strength can take, then I leave the rest for later. That is why I decided to use just a handful for the test, so that when I'm having issues, getting them out or finding solution to it won't be a problem, like fixing every bed into the cage and then you get problem and you have to work on the whole cage. Even putting them in the cage is a whole lot of work on its own. So this is what I have decided to do. I'm using them for the test. If it works, I have given them maybe a week or two. When I see how they improve, then I'll just see what to do as to whether I should add more or just find solution before I add the rest. I would like to end the video here, and if you like what you watched, please click on the subscription, hit on the notification bell for new uploads, and then also leave a comment. Thank you.